Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I super appreciate it. Thanks for all the support, guys. Up to like 926 or 7 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Thanks for all the new subscribers. And hopefully I get to know you guys in the comments, and hopefully you enjoy the content. And anyone else that is watching, I hope you subscribe, help me out get to 1,000. I got a lot of giveaways coming up and stuff like that. And I might do some other things, maybe open a PO box, I don't know, or start doing merchandise. I don't know about that stuff. Haven't looked into it, but let's get started with the video. So today we were making up lights, basically all of us. So for the most part, I don't know where we're at here, if this one got done or not, but can't really see it. I don't think this one got done, but I started over here on this second row right here. And I'll just try to zoom in here in a second. You might be able to see it, you might not. But see the little white cord on the left? That is the fixture whip, and that goes into all the boxes that I mounted right there. So basically MC in, MC out, and then a fixture whip. And then for the rest of the light, we just zip tied it a couple times to the aircraft cable, and then the monkey arm, and then did a couple zip ties and left a loop of the remaining wire on top of the light, and then just tied all the wires together, ground to ground, neutral to neutral, hot to hot, put the cover on it. And then for the rest of my day, that kind of pulled me off. I was getting super bored with that, but they wanted me to go around and fix some of these wires. Like some of these right here aren't secured yet, so I have to go up and then just zip tie or strap it to the bar and make it look good. So that one's not done, but some of them just go straight across. Some of them are kind of not going in as high as they can. So I was going around fixing those for the last couple hours. So moral of the story is, try to do it right the first time. No one's perfect, but for the most part, most of these just got left so they could just strap the wire down or whatever. So that's not really a mistake or anything like that, but there are some that were mistaken, but I think that was before they really had a clear plan of what they wanted to do. So they just let 4 or 5 different people go at it, and you get a few different results. So just try to remember to ask questions, think of things that may go wrong or that you might need answers to before you start. And that's always easy to say until you get doing something and then you realize something might be wrong. But anyways, that's really all I have to say today. Just made up lights and went around strapping this MC wire to the ceiling joist, bar, beams, thingies. So that's really all I did today. It's a 6-hour day, and they were over there fixing the concrete because someone done goofed. So hopefully you guys enjoyed, and hopefully you guys have a great weekend. I will see you back on Monday. I'm gonna go visit Grandpa again. Actually, I've never visited Grandpa, but I was hanging out with Grandpa on Sunday. So I'm gonna go visit him at his home church, and that's like 100 miles away. So it'll be a long drive on Saturday, about 200 plus miles. So it'll be super fun, but it'll be a lot of driving. Hope you guys have a great weekend. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day, and I will see you later. Drop a comment if you have anything to say or anything like that. And if you got any questions, or if you just want to say anything or connect with me, I'll put my social medias in the description below as soon as I can. And that'll be it, guys. See you guys later. See ya. God bless.